Imagine retiring at 35, living your life on your terms, decades before your peers. This isn't a pipe dream, it's the goal of the FIRE movement. FIRE stands for Financial Independence Retire Early. It's not just about saving money, it's about living intentionally and building wealth efficiently. To achieve FIRE, you need to understand that it's not just about cutting costs, but also increasing your income and investing wisely. Think of it like farming. Grow more crops income than you eat expenses. Let's debunk a myth. FIRE isn't about living frugally forever. It's temporary to build up enough wealth to live off passive income, like dividends and rental properties. How much do you need? Typically, financial advisors recommend having 25 times your annual expenses saved up. That's the magic number for most FIRE enthusiasts. For example, if you spend $40,000 annually, you'd aim to have around $1 million saved for retirement. It sounds like a lot, but with discipline and smart investments, it's doable. Remember, this is general education. While FIRE can be an inspiring path to financial independence, individual circumstances vary greatly. The key is flexibility. Keep your options open and adapt as your life changes. FIRE isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but it can inspire you towards greater financial freedom. Subscribe to Money Mechanics for more like this. Decode how money really works, one mechanism at a time. We're here to help you navigate your finances with clarity and confidence.